I left the oil pan draining, and the next step that I'm going to go to is disconnecting the oil lines from the oil coolers and just drain those and get them out of the way. Okay, I got lucky with this Y pipe because I did not have to unbolt the other section. I only had to take off the 2 bolts that are on the primary turbo, and then this whole thing popped out. It's got an O-ring connection on one side, and so I just took off 2 bolts and popped it out. A lot of the work that I just finished, I did off camera because it was kind of a pain in the ass. You'll see that I was able to get the downpipe out, and the reason it's so difficult is because of that steering column right there. And there's options for removing the steering column to make things a little bit easier, but I didn't really want to do that, so I kind of messed around with it for quite a while. It took me about an hour of messing around with this to finally get it out. And here it is, the mythical beast. The stock downpipe on these things is just an absolute nightmare. You can see this is the part where it actually bolts to the engine, and it is just solid. Weighs a ton.